Hello children, in this video I am going to explain you one more important extract. I have already told you that I'll give you the explanation of only important speeches or extract. This content is the second half of the speech of Prospero. In the first half of this speech, Prospero has thanked all the spirits who helped him in creating the magic on this island and also helped him in bringing all his victims and enemies in the situation and condition as he desired. Before this extract, Prospero has ordered Ariel to go and bring his enemies in front of him. Ariel, after following the order of his master, goes and comes back. So there is given re-enter Ariel after him, Alonso with a frantic gesture, attended by Gonzalo, Sebastian, and Antonio. In like manner, attended by Adrian and Francisco. They all enter the circle which Prospero had made. Means here he means to say, re-enter Ariel, followed by Alonso. He is making some despairing gestures. And after that, Gonzalo, Sebastian, Antonio, Adrian, and Francisco. All of them enter in a circle. That is a magical circle which has been made by Prospero. They are stand charmed, and all of them are standing there charmed. Charm is under the effect of, under the influence of magic, which Prospero observing speaks, and after observing their conditions, situations, pathetic situations, Prospero says, a solemn air and the best comforter to an unsettled fancy cure thy brains. He is saying solemn air. Solemn air means serious music, the best comforter, which is known as the best comforter, the best remedy to heal unsettled fancy. Unsettled fancy means disturbed mind. May cure thy brains. May heal your brains, the brains which are now useless in your skull, within your skull. In other words, he means to say, let the serious music which provides the best consolation to the bewildered mind, disturbed mind, upset mind, now cure your brains. Which brains? The brains which are still in a state of great confusion within your head. There stand, for you are spell stopped. And is saying to them, stand there, you all are spell stopped, spell bound. Means this is of no use now for you, because all of you are under the effect of magic, of mind. Holy Gonzalo, honorable man, mine eyes, even sociable to the show of thine, fall fellowly drops. Now he is addressing to Gonzalo and says to Gonzalo, after seeing his pitiable condition, pathetic condition, he says to Gonzalo, Holy Gonzalo, good Gonzalo, honorable man. You are a gentleman, you are an honorable man. Mine eyes even sociable to the show of thy fall fellowly drops. And my eyes are very sympathetic to see your pitiable condition. In other words, he means to say, Gonzalo, you are a respectable and righteous person. My eyes are so full of sympathy that, as you shed tears, my eyes also shed tears, following you. The charm dissolves apace. Now he assures Gonzalo, says to Gonzalo that I assure you, I promise you the charm, the magic, which has its magical effect on you all. That charm will end apace. Apace means very soon. That magic is going to end very soon. Magical effect is going to end very soon. How the magical effect is going to end very soon? As the morning steals upon the night, melting the darkness. Means that magic is going to end very soon, just as the night is followed by the morning and darkness is removed. So their rising senses began to chase the ignorant fumed. That mental their clear reason. So their sense reviving from the effect of enchantment, from the effect of magic, will remove the fumes. Fumes means cover of ignorance which had concealed their clear wit and reason. In other words, he means to say, their awakened sensibility begins to remove the ignorance which covers your reasoning power, your thinking power, your sensibility. O good Gonzalo, my true preserver. O gentleman, good Gonzalo, you are my true preserver. Preserver means saver. You are my saver. You not only saved me, but also my daughter, my daughter Miranda. Loyal sir. Loyal sir means gentleman. You are very gentle even to him. Who is the him here? Him is Alonso. Means you know that Alonso is a bad man, is a cruel man, but still you are very faithful, you are very loyal to him whom you follow. Whom you follow means whom you follow. Means you are the follower of Alonso. You know Alonso is not a good man, but still you are such a faithful person that you follow your master. I will pay thy graces home both in word and deed, and I assure you, I promise you, for your loyalty, for your faithfulness, which you have shown to me, I will pay you for your kindness both in words and deeds. Next he is saying, most cruelly didst thou, Alonso. Now he is addressing to Alonso, saying to Alonso, Alonso, you did very bad with me and my daughter. Means you have treated my daughter and me very badly, utmost cruelly. You have shown your cruelty to me. Thy brother was a furtherer in this act, and in this act your brother, means Sebastian, he was a helper. Means your brother Sebastian helped in this act. Which act? The act which I have mentioned in the act first of the play, in the background, in the history of Prospero. As in the background it was given that Prospero and his daughter, both of them were kept in a rotten boat to die. But there Gonzalo helped them. So he is saying, you committed a conspiracy against me and my daughter, and your brother helped in that act. Thou art punished for it now, and you will be punished for it now, Sebastian. Saying to Sebastian, you will be punished for that. Flesh and blood. I'll explain you the remaining scene in the next, speech in the next video.